Hey guys, welcome back to Bangin Gears. Today is my day 3 down here in cloudy Ocean City, Maryland. The rain has hauled off, but with the king tide coming in, the inlet's okay, but the road to the inlet is completely flooded as nobody's getting there. So everybody's at the convention center. Today we're at Dry 85. I'm gonna shoot this whole video here, and today's giveaway is gonna be this Bangin Gears fleece. Again, I have it in a men's and a women's, in a large size only. You need to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and comment on the video on YouTube, and we'll put you in the running to win this. Put out a video of all this week's winners next Friday, October 18th, I believe it is. So stay dry, and we'll see you tomorrow on Bangin Gears. Enjoy the video.